So, hey, look, the campaign is over. Yes. Um, Campaign is over. Give thanks for our W sale today. Sell out majority of it. Because I'm so hungry, I had to save too. I saved like salt, a salted veggie and a saltless. But yeah, we're in the town of St. George's right now. Give thanks to everybody who contributed, who made a sale. A sale is when a client comes back, so big up to everybody who keeps supporting the ITAL business that I have going since 2010. I think next time I do this, I will give you all the story of how it all started being and serious. And it's a blessing that I actually saw the guy who teach me how to make the dal in the shop, in the barber shop today. So big up to him every time. So real. Situation kind of tight in terms. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna give you all a nice little view of what St. George's look like, and I'll make another video with an intro or something. And this look like Chevy bus too. Interesting. 6 bus. That can be 6 now, that's not 6. Oh, let's go give Shalana a feature. Yeah, W's. Alright, seeing here some people doing businesses on the street, selling kite. This is my cousin right here selling his kite. Right here, guys. Come on, get your kites big and serious. Hey, love. That's it. See you guys. See you all in the next one, right? Hold on, Yana. How the sale going? Good, you enjoying it? Uh, how much are the kites though?
15 and up.
15 and up.
Different sizes.
All different sizes, all different prices. Nice, nice, nice. Which one is the favorite one? Which one is the best seller? Show me the best seller.
Small.
Show me the best seller on top here, and the top ones.
Get a trade.
With the thread, there, Tyler. Get the thread there. They're busy, they're working, guys, as you can see. The kite man is on the kite mission. Look how Brissy's working. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, don't let go, don't let go. And he's pressing. Oh my gosh, what's the shortcut? You see the shortcut?
That's a copy.
That's a capiche. Oh my goodness. Let's see how quick he can do this. Oh, normally how long it would take him to do that? Like about 5 minutes? So you had to put on the compass and the mad bull. Compass, no, the tailpiece, the tailpiece. This is the compass and the tailpiece.
You are not on this. That one I start over.
See less. Next time you'll give them a more in-depth version of the thing, but right now it's not a DIY, it's just a feature. Eh, Shella? Just give them like a behind the scenes, you know? Dali?
Yeah?
Dal.
Milan.
Hey, love, you good? Veggie dal. You good? Alright, I still him one of the last ones I have, but I guess he's good. He's still making a kite. It's been almost like a minute going. Whoa, he's putting on a tailpiece now, guys. Look at this. Look how quick he's moving. He don't even burn in the cord. Movements, briskness on the streets of St. George's. Let's go. Resilience, resilience. Amazing. Wow, wow. He's good, he's good, he's really good, he's really good. He's really good, he's almost finished. He's almost finished, guys. Cool. It's time for us to help me record. Oh gosh, no. Keep pointing. Keep pointing, shooting the guy, and I'm gonna see if I get the mic him up. Whatever he's saying, we need to record it. Hold that, Tyler. Take this one. All right, so we mic him up now. Look, mic him up. Oh, hold up the camera. Mic him up. Put a mic on him. Strap him up. Nice. That is it. So yeah.
Tell me one tail. I 30 if you want a tail. Eh?
So it's more money if you're buying the tail. I know how you do that.
Just stick on me.
Yeah.
I give the customers
careful how you
what
touch
they
it.
want. You know?
Yeah. So yeah, as I was saying, it's more money if you buy the tail, right? How much right if you pay for it if you're buying the tail?
For sure.
All depends on the kite, okay.
30.
Because you have small tail for small kite, big
Listen,
tail for big
30.
kite, right?
For yours, we can get a tail. And she only start at 5, like 6 or 5. But, yeah.
So the tail is how much?
5. You don't check in with me.
Hello, ladies. Small man, you get through, boy. Nice. Y'all see some happy faces going by? That's nice. See here, point the camera on me now. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, the streets of St. George's is a little busy today, you know. The vendors getting a little sale. Just like I did, I almost sell out all my Dal gift thanks again to everybody who supported. So yeah, man, if all you're enjoying this type of content, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. You know what I mean? And support the kite man. You know what I mean? Support the kite people selling kites and things. You know what I mean? Big and serious. Yeah, I'm gonna get the camera. So you Sheldon, what time you staying here? What time you staying here till?
I stay here until I feel like going.
What time you staying here, Tyler?
Dark night.
Dark night.
Darky dark.
Darky dark. Hey yo, for real. So yeah, he's here from what time? What time I see he come down this morning?
From like, let's say about after 10.
After 10 in the morning.
Yeah, after 10.
Respect. And we going until.
Yeah, until.
Yeah, another special time.
And we can give that 10 o'clock relics again tonight.
Shit.
Darky
Tonight?
dark.
Oh gosh. Very nice all there.
Well, we
I'll
have
get the
for 20
convenience right here.
Them here is 40.
You know what I mean?
It's 30.
For real.
Them here is 20 and 15. Them here is
Transmitter,
25.
just
And
don't
then there is 15
leave it
and
back.
16.
Yeah, it'll be inside there. Yeah, the transmitter already. Close it.
I don't know when to.
Mr. Being really there, you see the tongue kind of close up. Kite just go.
See, you want a mic too? You want a mic up, boy? You want a mic up? Next time you will make some content
They
together.
can't give no made in China thing.
Alright? Next time you'll make some content together, okay?
Right, which one?
Start at 15.
Them
you
here is
say?
30.
30?
By here, we.
I'll try it one day.
Them here is 15 and 20. Them there is 40. Them there is 25. Them there is 50 and 60.
Yeah, well, as you see, the mission is on, eh?
Yeah, of course.
The mission is on.
Of
Sorry,
course.
sorry, boss. So yeah, W video. So yeah, man, we want to big up the people, big up all the supporters from last year to this year and next year coming again.
Yeah, and more years to come.
And more
you know,
years
the
to
thing
come
is,
again.
That's how I just eat.
And the pokes in it, and how you just pokes it. Real hard.
Real hard.
Real hard. That is that. And the turtle in it. Purple him out and purple him whole self out.
Yeah, and that craft there, you know, you think go pop
Yeah,
it
I
down.
mean,
Not that
bad
it down,
craft.
pop it down.
You never always see this bad craft on the road. No, it's the Kite man. It's a purple, the
Or
purple
nothing.
guy.
Purple or nothing.
Purple or nothing, and it's that. Big up your whole self, cause, and keep up the good work, bro.
Yeah, man, thank you very much. And same to you with your darling, you know the thing.
And
You're
it's
the best
that.
guy, man, in the city.
Hey.
Ow.
Ow.
And long you been doing it.
And
Never
it's that.
stop. You
Never
understand? You don't just change again or break down again, but it's something to do with a change, you know?
Facts.
Of course.
Facts. So all you don't know. Say goodbye to the vlog, bro. Peace and love. And it's that. Yeah, guys. So all you don't know. Pop. We don't know. Big and serious. So
we
all you
got
don't
the
know. Like,
title.
share, subscribe, turn on the post notifications if all you want to see more content like this. And leave a suggestion for me too if all you want to, be specific. Alright, see you all in the next one. Repping the grace. Thank you. Shooting this one in 4K for all the big and serious. St. George's.